This is a plastic globe I painted the inside of the other day. If you want to see how to do that, I do have a video available. I'm going to start out with a number 15, and I'm going to place a copper dot right into the center. Of course, it's very top heavy with that. Hang on there. Okay. At least that one dotted. And let's go with this a little bit and see if I have to change. I'm going to go to number 3 and do some dots around it. See, this doesn't have anything to grip to. I think that's the problem. So this is 12 dots using the number 3. And then I'm going to use the number 3. I'm going to do one more row around that. Okay, now I'm going to go up to the number 4, and I'm going to switch to this Peacock Pearl color. Okay, so I'm using the number 4. Put that out here. And I'm going to do another row. Let's go to an 8. I'm going to go to the copper color, and I'm going to use the number 8, and I'm going to do dots out another row. Okay, now I never do swoops because I really stink at them. I don't know how people make them look so pretty, but this is going to be my first attempt in a long time to do some swoops. So we'll see how this goes. And I'm going to use a fairly larger dot because I'm going to put them in between that. I don't want to go that big. Let's go maybe, I'm going to go with the number 4. And what I'm going to do, I better put the number 4 down for you guys. All right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a dot right at the edge in between, right there, and then right here. And I'm going to flip over my tool, and I'm going to just drag this way and drag this way. Like that. So I'm actually using the number 3 to drag them. I'm dotting with the number 4. So I'm going to put a dot there, and I'm going to add more paint to this dot. And I'm going to flip it over, and I'm just going to drag it down. So I'm using the number 4, I'm applying more paint, and then I'm flipping it over to the 3 and just dragging it down to the center. So you gotta apply more paint to the previous dot so you have something to drag. There you have it. And I don't totally hate that, which is a first for me, because I usually end up wiping my swoops off. So I'm going to go up a little bit. Let's go up to, what is this number? I'm going to go to number 6. And I'm going to place a dot at the end of where my swoops come together. Just because I think it will look nice. I think I'm going to add some white in this. Even though I was just going to use metallics, I think I want to bring some white and then top dot and some white to really make it shine a little bit. I just like white. I don't know what it is about it. So I've got the Snow Titanium White again. Sorry if you're not a white person. One that likes a lot of outlining in white. I just like the way it looks. So I'm going to go, I want to place a bigger dot in these areas in between. This is a number 9. And I'm just going to put a dot between each of those. Let's go to a number 4. And I'm going to add more white. I'm going to put a dot right out from that. From the dot we made in the metallic. Okay, so I got this berry metallic, which I'm going to add a little bit of that to this. I'm trying to brighten it up a bit because to me it's not, it just doesn't seem like enough to me. And I don't know if this is going to make it look nicer or worse, so we're going to test it out and see. I mean, I don't hate the color scheme, but it looks kind of plain to me. So I'm going to take some of this berry, and I'm using a number 4. Do I have it out? No, I don't. Okay. And I'm going to dot the berry on this row of blue, this outer ring of blue. And this is with a number 4. Okay, I'm going to go up in size. Just up one, I think, to a number 5. And I'm going to dot those white dots on the outer ring in berry too. I think I'm going to go onto those copper ones. Let's see what size we need. Probably a number 4. Yep, number 4 would be good. And I'm doing those bigger copper. I'm just going to put white on it, and I'll probably top dot something else on it. Yep, besides. I'm going to go all the way down to a 1, because I want to top dot some of those in the center too. And they get kind of small. I don't know if I want to do any of those copper. I kind of like the copper center, just the way it is. I think I'm going to just put a little white dot in the number 1 on those little blue dots, the turquoise dots. Just a tiny little dot. I'm going to go with the number 2, and I think I'm just going to put a copper dot on top of that white dot, just to highlight it a little bit. The white I used to highlight the copper, so now I'm going to put the copper on top of the white. I like that. I like that it turned out looking like more like a star in the center. Something just a little bit different than I normally do with the swoops. And I like the way that kind of come out. You could top dot on those and highlight those a little more if you wanted to. I'm not super thrilled with my swoops yet, so I don't like to draw too much attention to them. But I do like them joined together like that to form more of a star looking pattern. So I hope you like this one today. If you're not a subscriber, I'd love to have you. And again, hit the notification bell if you like to be notified when new videos are available. And thanks again for watching. I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye.